Well, friends, it's time to get busy. It's time to get busy with that spring cleaning. Friends, spring is upon us. We are now in March. That means it's official. Spring is here and spring cleaning is definitely a thing. I know if you are anything like me, you are ready to go through your house and just do a good deep clean. Who am I kidding? I don't want to do that. I know I need to do that, but I don't want to do that. But if I'm going to have to do it, I might as well have some super yummy smelling products that help me along the way. And that's what we're going to be talking about today. Hey there, guys. My name is Jami Jo, and I own Jami Jo Sells Wax. I am a Scentsy consultant, and I've been working with Scentsy for over 15 years now. When I first started with Scentsy, cleaning products were not a thing. We were really just a handful of products: wax and warmers, room sprays, scent circles, which were then called car candles. And we really hadn't branched out all that much. But quite a few years ago, Scentsy decided to add in Scentsy Clean, and they brought us a couple products. My favorite of the Scentsy Clean line is this right here, the Counter Clean. Now, we also have an all-purpose cleaner, which is like a Counter Clean concentrate that you just add water to. We also have a bathroom cleaner. Both of those are fabulous products, but this one is my absolute favorite. I don't call it Counter Clean. I call it magic in a bottle, and I'm going to show you why in just a second. But Scentsy has given us a brand new product just out for a couple of days. This is called Scentsy Swipes, and I've been using them for a couple weeks now. I got my hands on them early, and I'm loving them. Absolutely loving them. So we are going to talk about how these two products can really be paired up to make a difference in your cleaning, how it smells, and how easy it is going to be. So first, I'm going to start with the Scentsy Swipes. I was not one to use cleaning wipes before, but I have a lot of friends that do. I have my friend Diana, and she goes to the Sam's or the Costco, and she gets like the multi-packs of the cleaning wipes. She spends a lot of time outdoors and also a lot of time entertaining, and these are something that she always has. I know well, not these, because these just came out, but the cleaning wipes. She's always had one thing of them in her car, and anytime I go to her house and she's setting up for a party, she's pulling them out of the cabinet and wiping everything down. And I was thrilled when I had the chance to reach out to her and say, hey friend, you got to try these out. So they look just like any of the other wipes that you'll find on the market. When you open it up, that's what you get. You just feed it through the little thing on the top and give it a little pull. And simple as that. I like that it is a decent sized wipe. Like, it fits my entire hand. I can put it on my hand and do a good swipe on my countertop. But friends, if you know anything about me, you know that I love shoes. I love shoes, but I also love to keep my shoes clean. Now, it's not going to look like I like to keep my shoes clean by what I'm about to show you, but these are my tried and true. These shoes have been with me for a couple years now. Friends, I love my Adidas shoes, and I have them in a couple colorways. I actually have this one, this exact colorway, in a couple different pair, because I'll wear these friends out. Like, look, we're wearing all the way through. You guys can see that these have been with me for a really, really, really long time. Now I'm going to give you the ickety ick close up. These definitely need a good clean. These are just kind of my kicking around the house shoes. If I'm going out to work in the yard, who am I kidding? I don't work in the yard. If I'm going to walk out in the yard, these are the ones that I just grab and throw on. But I want to show you how simple it is to clean with a Scentsy Swipe. So I'm going to get some of those icky spots right on the top. And all I have to do is give them a good wipe, friends. Simple as that. Like, there was a big old nasty gross spot on that one, and it's already coming off. Just as, like, I'm not even like putting pressure on it. I'm just like giving it a wipe and completely coming clean. And I love that about Scentsy Swipes. You can see how easy it was to get that grime and that gunk off of my shoe. Now, I would love to be doing this video for you in my kitchen, but I don't have my lovely setup in my kitchen. But if it works that well on shoes, I did not even put any pressure there and got all that gunk off. You can imagine what it is going to do for your kitchen countertops. I love the Scentsy swipes. They come in Squeeze the Day fragrance. Since it's a brand new product, they're only offering it in one fragrance right now, but I know you guys are going to fall in love with them, which means you'll buy lots of them, which means they'll come out with them in other fragrance. Now we're going to move over to the counter clean, or what I call magic in a bottle. Now, Scentsy standards here. This is designed for kitchen countertops, sealed surfaces. What I'm going to do is not endorsed by Scentsy, just showing you my personal experience. All right, friends, we got each other. Okay, so I'm going to grab the counter clean. This is one of the places I love to use counter clean. And it's on, actually, I'm going to show right here because it's icky, icky, icky. It's on this bottom rubber part of a shoe. All you need is your counter clean, an old toothbrush, and a paper towel or two. So what I'm going to do is just take this icky, icky shoe, give it some sprays of counter clean right there on the base of the shoe. Then I'm just going to get this toothbrush and just, guys, I'm not even scrubbing hard. Just a little bitty brushing of the teeth on my shoe there. Then grab my paper towel, wipe the excess off. Check that out. Look how easy that was. Can you imagine how much it's going to clean if I actually put some elbow grease into it? And I probably need to with these shoes because, like I said, these are my kicks that go everywhere with me. I'm not going to take the time to clean those completely. I just wanted to show you guys how amazing these products are. Now, the counter clean we've had for a bit. So we have it in a couple different fragrances. You can get the counter clean brand new fragrance release in Banana Leaf and Bamboo. You can also get it in Daydream Oasis, Johnny Appleseed, Scarlet Sunflower. That's my favorite. Squeeze the Day, Sunkissed, Citrus, and Vanilla Mint. So you have a couple different options there. Now, I do want to tell you that we have some really cool combine and save package deals. So there is one where you can get an all-purpose concentrate, a bathroom cleaner, and a counter cleaner, one of each of those, and it's going to save you $3. So that's a really cool deal. Bundle and saves are always the way to go. Of course, with a brand new product, not in any bundle and saves yet. But I'm confident that it will be soon. Hopefully in the next catalog. So guys, it's time for spring cleaning. We need to end this video so we can all, skitter off to our homes and start doing the deep cleaning. I'm not going to do that, but I should. Anyway. You can grab these products at JamiJoSellsWax.com. If you have any questions about these or anything else, ask me here on this video. You can find me on social media on Facebook or Instagram, and that is Jami Jo Sells Wax. Or shoot me a text direct, guys. You can reach me at 918-888-9690. I really would highly recommend you trying out the Scentsy swipes. I believe wholeheartedly in counter clean, aka magic in a bottle. You need some of that too. So make sure that you grab those. Guys, my name is Jami Jo, and I hope that you have a sensational day.